JackJackPlays.
What do you got there? Who's that?
Rubble.
Rubble, rubble on the double, rubble on the double.
Not made to drill. Drilling in
You don't
this.
drill, you just got to be careful with it. Oh, Jack, one of our viewers said I have the worst Rubble impression ever. Rubble on the double, rubble on the double. I don't even really know what he sounds like. You have there, Jack. Who's that? Who is that? Ice and snow, we're ready to go. It's Everest. What's happening, Jack?
It comes out.
Oh, what comes out?
This. That.
Oh, what is it? A net and a hose? Something like that?
It's a flashlight and a hole.
Oh. Who's this here? Is that a Paw Patrol?
No.
No, it's the naughty Lala Loopsy. Vroom, vroom. What's Ryder doing? He's checking out who's driving the trucks. Oh boy, Skye is driving Rubble's other truck. And there's Rocky with Marshall on top of his recycling truck. And what are you doing, Cowboy Zuma? Well, I'm not doing very much yet. I'm just kind of waiting for Jack to tell me where to dig. Where are you digging, Jack?
Over here.
Oh, should they come help? All right, I think they're coming.
Because it broke down.
The excavator broke down. Who can fix it? Look, the track fell off. I think the Paw Patrol can help it. Beep, 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 beep. Way to go, Skye.
Here's the track.
Skye, you did a good job. Looks all fixed. Good job. Yeah, I did a good job. Yay me. Yay me. Yes, now Jack can do some effective excavating work. Right, Jack? Good job, Skye. Skye, not Skye, right? Skye is from Dino Trucks. Rubble on the double. Rubble on the double, rubble on the double. I bet we could dig with rubble. Use your scooper.
Scoop up the dirt and dump into.
Oh, Rubble fell in the dump truck. Here comes the Everest mobile. I don't think this is very much ice and snow, is it? Ice and snow would be nice for Everest, but she likes the hot dirt too. Right, Everest? Why, yes I do. What is Rubble doing? Rubble on the double, rubble on the double, rubble on. Playing in the dirt. Is the impact hammer working? Scraping the hard rock.
Can't make it go.
You just gotta push it in. There you go. That's about the best you can do.
Should have put it under the ground.
Well, Jack, we have to learn how to be patient. Chase is on the case. The mystery of why the driller won't go into the rock. Roll out some hard dirt. Best we can do is kind of scrape at the softer stuff. The heat has turned our nice sand into this hardened dirt. It's terrible. Okay, Rubble, show them how it's done. Conditions do not seem to be optimal for deep scooping in this dirt. I think Zuma's trying to dig. Cowboy Zuma! Cowboy Zuma, Cowboy Zuma, Cowboy Zuma.
No, it's just a dump truck driller front loader.
It's a dump truck driller front loader? Uh-oh. There's the naughty Lala Loopsy. I'm so naughty. Hee 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 hee. How's the dirt coming, Jack? Not so good. I'm gonna scoop in this sand. I'm flying through the sky. What's full?
This dump truck.
Oh, you're storing the dirt in the driving spot. Oh my goodness, the excavator has a new driver. Who could it be? That's Marshall? Go, Marshall, go.
Not digging.
Marshall, are you ready to dig? I'm all fired up to dig, yeah.
You're not putting him in the Spielwaren.
Okay, I think Marshall's gonna take a pretty big scoop here. Hey, did you realize the engine's exposed? I think there's some mud on a spark plug. Let me just clean this up here.
Green means go.
Green means go. Oh, we got more dirt in the engine. It's okay. This is a tough engine. Landing on the dump truck. Ryder's thinking about getting in here. Oh, Ryder got inside. Let's close the door. Look at this. Ryder's in, and he's ready to move out. He's just keeping the engine warm over here. Jack says it's not full enough yet. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Good job, Marshall. You're all fired up. All right, Rubble, you better pull your weight. Good job, Rubble. Rubble on the double. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Great job, Marshall. I want to help too. Oh.
Rubble.
Oh, only Rubble can dig with this? Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Green means go. It's all I know how to say. Who's this coming? Ah, it's the La La Loopsy. Ha ha ha, you guys will never fill it up. Hee hee hee.
Now it's full.
Riders ready? All right, Paw Patrol dump truck, let's head out. Oh.
It's a heavy load. A rock in the way.
Oh no. Dumping the load. Did it. Yay.
Thanks for watching JackJackPlays.
Did we have fun with Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
We'll have to do it again sometime. Bye, everybody. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. See you later.